Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. I'm going to give another 3 minutes so we can all get connected, okay? Are you coming from another class right now? Did you have a class?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I just want to make sure that all I can see you all, okay? So connect your video, please, so I can see your faces. Thank you. How many students were in the other previous class? My list says that you are 42 students, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how many of you were connected in the previous class? You don't have no idea. Okay, good. No problem. All right, let's see. One more minute and we will start our class, okay? Let me turn the light on so you can see me better. There you go. All right. So, good morning. We're going to begin our class, English class today, okay? And let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Miguel Ángel Asmitia Erazo, okay? I'm going to be your English teacher this year, 2021, okay? I'm going to write my name and email address so you can send me all the homeworks and information, anything you want to ask me, please send it through my email, okay? All right. And my email, I wrote it on the chat, okay? My name, Miguel Ángel Asmitia Erazo. My email address is sorry. Writing. Let's just right. Let me admit a couple of other students. Okay, we will give you all the information. There we go. Okay. This is going to be my email address from the institutional English email address. Okay. You need you have any questions, if you need something from me, okay, just you can write me to this okay email. All right, mbosco@donbosco.edu or edu.gt. All right, thank you. All right, let's see, we are getting more now, getting connected here. It's really good. Okay. All right. If you need to ask me something, you can just connect your microphone, okay? Or write me a message here, right? There is no problem, okay? Okay, thank you. So let's begin our English class today, okay? Do you you did have a previous class last week, correct? That was the English introduction with another teacher, okay? So we're going to get to our class, which is the present perfect, and then we're going to discuss about your guide number 1, okay, or homework that you have to do. All right, okay, can you all get to your books, please, and go to page number 4. Page number 4.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, tell me.
Excuse you, we have to send you the English assignments.
Yes, the assignment, you have to send it by February 1st. February 1, that's when you have to, that's the limit to send me your homework, okay? All your assignment, okay? You have to send it, all right? We're going to talk about this in a little bit, okay? But first, we need to get to our present perfect form, okay? All right. What we have going to do here, we're going to read a little bit about your book. It says grammar, the present perfect. We all have our books ready, right? This one? Okay, good. All right. It says here, use the present perfect to talk about an indefinite time in the past. Indefinite time in the past, okay? Which means I have done something, I have traveled to visit my mother or grandmother, something that you did in the past, okay? All right. To make a sentence in present perfect, we need to add a few things, okay? First, what we have to do is get our pronouns, okay? Who knows what a pronoun is? Or you can tell me the common pronouns. Anyone?
Teacher, in what page?
Number 4, page 4. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Which are the pronouns?
He, she, it.
All right, good. Okay. So we have in a singular form, Singular form means only one person, okay? Okay, we have pronouns singular, one person, okay? And we also have the pronouns plural, okay? That means two or more persons or people, okay? All right, we, you, and they. That's the plural. Those are pronouns, okay? Okay. Also, later we have to add our verb have or has. Okay, have or has. As you can see here on your book, okay, get your book, we have met them, okay? So after our verb have or has, you know that have is only used, verb have, for I, you, we, and they, okay? For he, she, and it, we use verb has, okay? Because it's third person. We are talking about myself. I is one person. You, second person, okay? He, she, or it is third person, okay? That means that, all right? So we have, for example, I have, then the verb we want to use, okay? We add a verb here. Any verb. We won't write a verb in present tense, nor in past tense. We're going to use our past participle, okay? What is past participle verb? You can see here in our book a few of these verbs in past participle. First column, we have present tense, past tense in the second column, and past participle in our third column, okay? So we're going to use always to make a present perfect sentence our past participle. For example, let's check the verb eat. Eat. I eat. Yo como. I ate. Past tense. I ate. Then, if we need to do our present perfect, we have to say, I have eaten. Yo he comido. Okay? Comer, comí, comido. We want to use always past participle. All right. So to know what the verbs in past participle are, we're going to go to page 123. Page over here says 123. Let's go there, please. 123. Page 123. You will find this in your books. 123 page. Okay. Please, Miss Luis Chua, Diego Andre, Lester, Javier, Diego, Kimi, Luis, and the rest, I need you to connect your cameras, please. I need to see you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Here are a list of all the verbs that we need to check. There are more, okay? But we need to learn them, memorize them, okay? That's the only way, all right? We have first column, okay? Present, past, past participle. We're only going to use all these past participle ones, okay? Okay. So if we need to make a sentence, we're going to write I have eaten. You have eaten. Here are a few examples, okay? First person, I have eaten. Second person, you have eaten. And third person, she has eaten. Okay? All right? That's how we're going to make our sentences. All right. Now, if we want to do it in a negative, this is affirmative way. To make a sentence in a negative way, a negative form, we only add not, okay? It's really easy. All right. See, I only add a not. I have not eaten. You have not eaten. She has not eaten. Okay. Now, if we want to write a contraction, the only thing that we need to do is we want to erase this. Contractions in negative. Okay. I haven't eaten. You haven't eaten. She hasn't eaten. All right. This is really easy. Don't forget this, please. Okay. Now, this is, we already checked with these affirmative sentences in present perfect, negative, and to do the interrogative, okay, or question in present, questions in present perfect, what we have to do is move the verb have or has at the beginning, okay? For example, have I eaten? See, from the one in the, let's see, let me add someone else that's asking me to get in. Okay, here already. Okay, so see, this is affirmative way. I haven't eaten or I have eaten. Let's erase this so we won't get confused with that. Okay, here we go. See, this is interrogative form. I have eaten. Then, have I eaten? He comido? Okay, all right. This is the way that we're going to do it, all right? So, let's now go and check. Let's see, what time is it? 8:22. What I'm going to do right now is pass a list, okay? See attendance. We need always to check attendance to see how many students are connected, okay? So I'm going to write, mention your name or call your name, and you can just say present. If you are not available, you can write it on the chat, okay? So let me check right now on this. Okay, please answer when I call your name. Acosta, Sanchez, Diego, Alejandro.
Aquí, profe.
Okay, say present or here, okay? All right. Arias,
Yes.
Arias Santizo, Luis Emilio. He's not here. Arias Santizo Luis Emilio. Bolaños Reyes Josué Rafael. Bolaños Reyes Josué Rafael. Bonilla Pineda Juan David.
Presente, profe.
Okay, thank you. Borrayo López Cristian Antonio.
Presente.
Cabrera Elías Cristian Josué.
Present.
Cabrera Gaitán Josué Alejandro. Ok, Cabrera Gaitán no está. Cartagena Morales Manuel Alejandro. Tampoco está. He's not here. All right. Chua Grijalva Luis Emilio.
Presente.
Thank you. Corrado Falla Juan Pablo.
Teacher, this, él ya no está en el colegio.
Okay, all right. Corrado Falla. He's not here anymore.
Sí,
Okay,
no.
thank you. Okay, thank you. Cordón Cruz José Alejandro.
Present.
All right. Del Cid Martínez Pablo Fernando Tadeo.
Present.
Escobar Guerra David Ramiro.
Present.
Fuentes Godínez Víctor Emanuel.
Present.
Thank you. García Beltetón Lester Alexander.
Present.
Thank you. García Llamas Sebastián André.
I'm here.
Thank you. García, okay. González Quiñones Ángel Alberto.
Present.
Thank you. Guerrero Guzmán Gabriel Alexander.
Present.
Cle López Kimi Adrián.
Present.
Andaberry Duarte Justin Yahir. Okay. All right. I can barely hear you. Can you say your name again? Andaberry Duarte. All right. Okay. León Cáceres José Andrés. Okay, León Cáceres, José Andrés is not here. All right. Loarca Enríquez, Marco Antonio.
Present.
Thank you. Loarca Herrera, Luis Alexander.
Present.
López Caal, Diego Haroldo. Thank you.
Present.
Thank you. López Mena, Jorge Eduardo. López Mena, Jorge Eduardo. Okay. Masaya Pérez, Oscar Alejandro.
Present.
Thank you. Mendoza Mezquita, Jefferson Alex.
Present.
Thank you. Mérida Velázquez Martín. Morales Guzmán, Orlando José. Morales Guzmán como que no está, ¿verdad? He's not here right now. Thank you. Ogaldes de León, Rodrigo Sebastián.
Here.
Thank you. Orantes Álvarez, Rubén Alejandro.
Presente.
Thank you. Say present, please, in English. Thank you. Orozco Monroy, Javier Eduardo.
Present.
Thank you. Ortiz y Fuentes, Sergio Giovanni.
Present.
Thank you. Palacios Martínez, Diego André.
Present.
Romero Belgar, Rodrigo Emilio. Thank you.
Present.
Thank you. Salik Paredes, Santiago Esteban.
Present.
Alok Kuma Luis Angel.
Present.
Thank you. Soc Lopez Ricardo Vicente.
Present.
Terraza Marroquín Fabio Álvaro Guillermo.
Present.
Thank you. Valdés Morales Esteban Alejandro. Okay, he's not here.
Teacher,
Yes, sir. No,
eh, eh, él tampoco ya no está, es que esa lista creo que es la primera que hicieron. La que usted tiene, él ya tampoco está en el colegio.
okay, I'm going to get it updated, okay?
No.
La voy a
Es- es-
actualizar. Okay, thank you. They say Vázquez Quiñones Wilson.
Present.
Thank you. And Yaquian Santizo Jorge Manuel.
I'm here.
Thank you very much. All right.
Teacher,
Yes, yes.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
We use past participle when is have or has, true?
Yes, that's correct. Uh-huh.
For example, in Spanish is han comido is have.
Ajá. Yo
Or
he comido. I have.
yo he comido.
Correcto. Ajá.
Okay. Only teacher.
All right, good.
Thanks.
It is, for example, if we want to say it in past participle, okay? I have eaten hamburgers before. Yo he comido hamburguesas antes. Yo he comido antes hamburguesas, okay? If we use the past, is I ate hamburgers. Yo comí hamburguesas. And there is a difference between I have, okay? I have eaten and I ate, okay? Yo comí, yo he comido, okay? Something that we did in the past, okay? Thank you. So, all right, let's see, we have 10 minutes left. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to share my screen so we can go ahead and watch our, okay, let's see. Let me know if I'm sharing with you a screen, okay? All right, here we go. Let me know if you can see the screen right now. I'm sorry. Just give me a second, please. Can you see the screen right now? All right, okay. Here we go. So it says here in series 1, complete each sentence with the words in parentheses, okay? Use the present perfect have or has and a past participle. Use contractions when possible, okay? So we have example number 1. We have the space over here, camping together twice. And between parentheses, we have Jack and Bob / and go, okay? Obviously, go, we have to put it in a past participle verb, okay, or past participle form. The past participle of go is went, okay? So what we need to do is Jack and Bob have, I'm sorry, Jack is gone, okay? That is go present, went past, gone past participle, okay? So we're going to say Jack and Bob have gone camping together twice. How are we going to write this? Over here, I'm going to put it in my little blackboard here. Okay. Jack and Bob have gone camping. Okay, together.
Teacher,
Yes. Uh-huh.
I have
You have a question?
um yes, in the present perfect always we use the past participle.
Yes, we always do. Okay. Past participle.
Thank you.
Okay. Here I'm going to here is the sentence. Okay. Yep. Put it the example all together. We read Jack and Bob have gone. Remember, the verb says go, but the past participle of go is gone. Have gone camping together twice. All right. Let's check number one. Okay, just to make sure. Okay, it says number one on series one says a space at the restaurant several times. Who can tell me how can we do this? Okay, the past we have in between parentheses over here. See, we and it. Okay, so we have the past participle of it is eaten. Okay, present is eat, past is ate, and past participle is eaten. So we're going to say we have eaten at that restaurant several times. Okay, right. Okay, series two. Okay, we're going to add it. Sorry, we're going to move it to see as a question. When we use a question sentence, we only move the verb have or has at the beginning. Okay, for example, it says here, example has George ever gone horseback riding? Okay, right? So the verb, if we use affirmative, we're going to say George has gone horseback riding. If we're going to ask if he went riding, we're going to ask, has George ever gone horseback riding? Okay, and our question mark. All right. Okay, so series number 3 says read the article, then choose and underline the correct answer for each question. This is reading comprehension. It says here, mean what you say, the art of conversation. We're going to, our next class is going to be, let me see here. Let me check on that. We're going to have 3 classes a week, okay? So we're going to have our next one on Thursday. Thursday, we're going to read this section, okay? And then we're going to answer all these questions. We're going to choose the best that goes over here to finish the sentence, okay? All right. So do you have any questions at this time? Any questions? Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye for now, and we will be seeing you on Thursday, okay? Next Thursday. If you have questions, you can send me an email, please, all right? Now I say goodbye. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thanks, teacher. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Hey, teacher.
Bye.
Bye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Bye.
Órale.
Bye. Bye. Bye.